Good morning, my lovely souls. So, today let's dive into a Chakra Healing EFT Tapping session together. Imagine us sitting in a peaceful room surrounded by calming energy. Now, think about any emotion or thoughts that are weighing on your heart. What's on your mind today? I want to rate the intensity from 1 to 10, where 10 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. So we will go with our first round of tapping and we'll tap this for root chakra. We'll start with the karate chop. Tap gently on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I may feel uncertain or insecure at times, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I sometimes struggle with stability and grounding, I choose to feel safe and secure in this moment. Even though I may have fears about my basic needs, I trust that I am supported by the universe. Relax. Now we will move with the second round and where we'll be tapping for heart chakra. So we'll start with the meridian points. Tap gently. Even though I may have experienced hurt or disappointment, I choose to forgive and release any pain in my heart. Even though I sometimes struggle to love and accept myself fully, I am worthy of love and compassion. Even though I may feel disconnected from others, I choose to open my heart to give and receive love. I choose to forgive and release any pain in my heart. I choose to forgive and release any pain in my heart. I am worthy of love and compassion. I am worthy of love and compassion. I am worthy of love and compassion. I choose to open my heart to give and receive love. I choose to open my heart to give and receive love. Relax. Now we will go with round number 3 tapping and we will tap this for crown chakra. Start with the meridian points. Even though I may feel disconnected from my higher self or spiritual purpose, I trust that I am guided and supported. Even though I may doubt my intuition or spiritual connection, I choose to believe in the wisdom of the universe. Even though I may feel lost or confused, I am open to receiving clarity and divine guidance. I trust that I am guided and supported. I choose to believe in the wisdom of the universe. I am open to receiving clarity and divine guidance. I am open to receiving clarity and divine guidance. I am open to receiving clarity and divine guidance. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Just feel the tension melting away as you embrace a sense of peace and balance within yourself. Remember, you are supported, you are loved, and you are worthy. Comment below, how do you feel now? And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in.